For the first coil, I am using 0.2mm weaving wire. You can use any wire thin enough for weaving. Thicker wires will produce thicker coils. Keep the wire on the spool. When I started weaving, I didn't have any specialist tools, so to make coils, all I did was wind the weaving wire around a piece of 0.8mm wire. Quite a slow process. The next thing I did was to bend the end of the wire into a handle shape to speed up the process. Wrap the end of the weaving wire around the handle to anchor it before you start turning. Press your thumb against the weaving wire to keep the tension. If you intend making a lot of coils, you will want a wire coiling gizmo. This is a handheld model. The gizmo is easy to use. Wrap the end of the wire around the handle part of the mandrel to anchor it. Wrap the wire a few times around the mandrel to start off the coil. Place the mandrel in the coinciding hole in the gizmo. Keep the tension on the weaving wire. If you are using a handheld model, let the wire run between your fingers and the handle. I am using a cloth between the wire and my fingers to help the wire run more smoothly. Turn the handle. For the next stage, I have my coil. I have a longer piece of 0.6mm wire. And I have a piece of 0.8mm wire. Start by wrapping the 0.6mm wire a couple of times around the 0.8mm wire. Thread the coil onto the 0.6mm wire and continue wrapping around the 0.8mm wire. If you wish, you can stop there, but I will be adding another coil. With 0.6mm wire, I first wrap a couple of times around the end of the coil. I then continue wrapping it around the coil, following the gaps between the coils.